Brands fail at converting cold traffic because their pages don't match ad promises, don't solve customer pain points, or answer any pre-purchase questions. So they're throwing money at ads, but losing conversions post-click. And if this sounds like you, stick around to this video and we'll try to help you out. So we're Daydreamers Design. We build high-performance pages and funnels for Ecom brands agency. We help brands scale by building pages and funnels that not only look good, that are branded, but they also drive results. Over the past few years, we've helped dozens of brands turn their cold traffic into paying customers by increasing average order value, AOV, and conversions, allowing them to scale and spend more on ads profitably. Here are the 3 quick reasons why most brands fail converting cold traffic. Number 1, pages don't match ad promises or the content. 2, no guided customer journeys. It's incongruent, unspecific messaging. And 3rd, they drive traffic to their generic homepages collection or product pages that just aren't built to convert cold traffic, right? And this problem persists because they're over-reliant on default store pages and they lack focus on the actual needle movers, right? So ad success doesn't always guarantee conversions without a great post-click experience. And that's the whole point of all this. So what's the solution? Ad-specific, avatar-focused landing pages, which will lead to higher conversions by addressing specific customer concerns, personalized pages that can achieve higher conversion rates than generic pages, lower CAC, cost per acquisition, optimized pages improve ROI on ad spend by turning more clicks into sales. And then 3rd, better overall brand loyalty, right? Having a really seamless targeted experience makes customers feel understood, making the buying process easy and therefore increasing trust and repeat purchases. So this is how we make it happen. 3 phases. We start with your ads and your value offer propositions. We break down your top performing ad creatives and figure out exactly what's working, your angles, offer, and messaging, and then create cold friendly value offers. Number 2 is we design pages built for conversions based on all that. So every page we create is tailor made to answer pre-purchase questions, tackle objections, and guide customers straight to the call to action button. There's no fluff, and it's primarily to educate top of funnel audiences and converting warmer bottom of funnel traffic. And then we give you the tools to test and optimize. So the whole point of this is to give you guys the framework, the pages, the funnel, and allow you to give you the tools to be able to make iterations and test and scale what's working. Here's why we're different. We are focusing on, again, ad to page congruency, right? Conversion focused pages match the intent of your ads and the page that your audience is landing on. We answer pre-purchase questions. So we're making sure that the shopper knows exactly, gets the information that they need to make that purchase, where they feel they understand the problem that you're solving for, your solution that you're offering, and they understand the offer and the value proposition. And then number 3 is top-fold variations of focusing a lot of our attention on the first screen that they see when they hop on a page. And that includes the offer, the angles, the messaging, and the visuals that come into play. Here are some client results. This is one of our clients, Ramp Health. We help increase their front-end conversion rates by over 60%. They struggled with low conversion rates. They were driving a lot of their traffic to their default home and product pages that just didn't align with the audience's needs. And honestly, the ads just weren't catered to, or the pages weren't catered to the ads, right? So we rebuilt the front-end pages, focusing on addressing key pain points of their customers' audience, showcasing social proof, and introducing bundles to increase AOV, conversions, and overall trust. So we took their conversion rates from like a low 2 all the way to a 4% and allowed them to scale more. Another one of our clients, Plant Made, generate over $300K in a few months, about 2 months or so. Basically just helping them create a funnel from scratch, starting with the top of funnel listicle to an offer page, as you see here. Pretty much same deal, driving all the traffic to a standard product page. And the shoppers, the customers just didn't have enough context and education on why this brand was different from all the other hair growth brands out there. So it's having solid pages that address, but that are tailor-made to the audience, highlighting the key benefits of it, addressing any objections, using social proof and all that to build trust and credibility. So that's what we did there. So this is how we can help you guys spend more on ads effectively and just increase your overall effectiveness of your campaigns. So we're going to build landing page and funnel testing frameworks, 3 main pages, 2 top of funnel and 2 bottom of funnel, advertorial listicle to educate and warm up your cold audiences, and then an offer and an improved product page for your warmer audience traffic, right? Each page, how we build, will include offer creation, copywriting, Figma designs, and development inside Replo. Replo is a Shopify app. It's a page builder, similar to like the Gem Pages or Shogun. Replo is just my favorite of being able to create really effective, high converting landing pages really easily. And each page will include 2 variations. So essentially it will be 6 pages total. And these variations include differences in either the offer, the angle, like as far as like the copywriting, and then like the layout of the page. You'll also be getting like testing frameworks and like a guide on how to implement and utilize these pages and this framework that we provide. And then some free bonuses for you: 6 product image creatives, like product images, 5 static ad templates, as well as a quick CRO audit on your current funnel, as well as like the training guidebook that I mentioned earlier, and then like a solid game plan of, okay, like what you have all this, we built you guys solid pages. Now what's the next steps and all that. So, like I said, 100% done for you. Landing pages, we help with the strategy, copywriting, design, and dev. And we use Figma for designs, and we build pages in Shopify via Replo. So we'll build new pages based on data from top performing creatives and messages, optimize pages using our proven strategy and frameworks, and to test winning offers, angles, and layouts, and then scale those winners from there. Here's a quick testimony from another one of our clients here. And here are some examples of our work. All right. So I appreciate you sticking around 7 minutes. This is a decent amount of time to watch a video. So appreciate you sticking around to this part. I'm going to offer you guys free resources for you guys to check out or just to kind of help you. Clicking this will open up like a Gamma doc. I'll attach this below this video here, but just pretty much just templates, design swap files from our clients and other brands, frameworks we use to scale brands past all that. So hope this helps. And if you're interested in having us help you guys build pages, use the link below to book a call with me, and then we can talk more about how we can help you guys out. All right. Appreciate it. And let's absolutely crush this year, 2025. All right. Cheers.